That's great. I know that you work with consultants and coaches. Who all, who is this for? Who other types of folks and businesses that you help? I mean, uh, who who could call you and say, I need help, besides a coach or a consultant?
Yes, like I said, we primarily have focused on coaches and consultants and service professionals and experts lately because with our process and system, it's really about growing and scaling what you have. But also we've helped people create an offer. Like some people say, Chris, I don't have a viable offer right now in the marketplace. Can you help me? Yeah, we have programs in place, to help you create an offer. Also to grow and scale your business or give you professional services. Like we have some people who say, hey, I need help creating funnels. I need help running ads online, or things of that nature. We have also got a professional service part of our company as well that provides professional services for ad services or creating online funnels and things of that nature as well. Um, so yeah, but far as like our primary audience, we primarily like to stick with online, coaches. It can be, various coaches, like I said, business coaches,
Sure.
financial consultants, various ones, and consultants and experts. I have the skill set to help anybody, right? Because I've been doing digital marketing, and I can help. You can have a floral shop, right, or a boutique or a restaurant, right? Because I've helped those. I've helped all of my 20 plus years of being in this industry. I've helped all kinds of industries grow. Mortgage people, real estate people, attorneys. It doesn't matter. I can help you grow your business online. But our primary focus with our, like I'll say our coaching programs, we primarily work with online coaches, consultants, and experts. Those who want to grow, their presence online, create digital assets online, being able to, create more impact using the online methods by offering more digital or professional services to that nature. It's just more in alignment with
Mhm.
currently right now what we're doing, and we see our clients get better results. We see clients who had no following whatsoever, no social media presence, was not a guru, literally create six figures and multiple six-figure businesses, kingdom impactful businesses in less than a year by following our system and structure. And so once we saw that, like, okay, let's help more because like one of my clients always say, there are folks out there looking for what you have to offer, but the problem
Yes.
is they can't find you. Well, I help you become findable.
Well, you kind of answered my next question. What
Oh, okay.
can your participants expect? And with the structure you have and how you work with them, you just explained that wonderfully. And
Oh,
it's
okay.
no exposure. So that's awesome.